Phonetic realization. As I noted above, a complete phonological description does not consist of abstract formulas alone, but must also specify how the abstract formulas are realized. That is, it must describe the mapping from the categorical phonological elements to the continuous acoustic parameters. The IP research has devoted considerable effort to this task, and the theory was used successfully as the as the basis of a model for synthesizing Dutch intonation contour by rule. All the phonological elements of the model are described in considerable phonetic detail. For example, there are phonetic specifications of how pitch movements are aligned with respect to the stressed syllable. These phonetic descriptions are based on experiments that attempted to set the limits of perceptible variation. That is, how different can two pitch movements be physically or still count as perceptually the same? For more detail on this entire aspects of the IPO program, the reader is referred to Hart and Cohen and Hart, Collier, and Cohen, 1991, 1990. Perhaps the best-known features of the IPO approach to phonetic realization is the notion of declination. Oh, really? I didn't know that. This term was coined by Cohen and Hurt in 1967 to describe the downward trend of F0, observable in many utterances and has since been adopted by a wide variety of authors. Author, or authors. Authors in GIPO model, declination refers specially to the trend of the top and bottom line of the define the limits of local pitch movements. Bottom line? How really? Special local pitch movement. The lines notated as theta and zero in the abstract phonological formulas that represent contours. This means that even when nothing is happening phonologically in the contour, F0 continues to go down slightly. It also means that pitch movements at the beginning of a phrase will be higher than the same pitch movements later in the phrase. This aspect of the model can also be seen in Figure 1.2. A considerable amount of research has gone into discovering the phonetic details of declination within the IPO framework. And the notion of declination itself has been studied extensively by investigators with a wide variety of backgrounds, interests, and theoretical assumptions. Work within the IPO theory includes Hart, Cohen, Collier, and Hart, and taking reviews from different perspectives includes Bessier and Rudd. I will return to discuss this issue again in section 2.4.